guys, today is about cooking the zoo noodle. So it's zucchini. Here I have from the garden. What we have here is very simple. So here I have the mint and the coriander for the garnish later. I have a garlic, prawn, olive oil. Okay, this one I don't use it. I use the small one because for alone for myself. I have tomatoes, salt, chicken stock, and cheese cast, and of course pepper. Now to do the prawn, I just add pepper and salt little bit. So we just leave it here a moment. So wash my hand. So make sure to wash the zucchini first before you use it. How I do it, zucchini noodle. Yeah. Okay, like this. I'm gonna to stop it till here. Okay, like this. Put aside. Chop the garlic. 3. I use 3. And then the coriander and the mint. The mint get the smell very nice, and the taste also nice. We're gonna chop this together. For the tomatoes, the olive oil, just a little bit. Add the garlic. So the garlic already changed the color. Add the prawn. Look at the golden garlic. Let's make sure the prawn is cooked. Add the noodle, the zucchini noodle, I mean. Pepper. The chicken block, I use only a little bit, so like this. Nice it. A bit of salt. And the coriander and mint together. And we are done. Simple. Off the fire, put on the side so that it's not get cooked anymore, and then go to the plate. This is not much, so I add the tomatoes on the side. That is only for the hair from the cheese. That. So there you go. This one and coriander on the side. There you have a beautiful zucchini zoodle noodle. And I hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and see you next time. Bye. Beautiful. So guys, this is my homemade zucchini noodle. So look like a restaurant. Wow. Yum. Look at that. It's a super